Hey guys, so there's been finally a solution for Icloud activation lock. So I've been searching for nearly a month to get my 4S bypassed. So finally here it is. It's called Dulce. It's been developed by Merrick Technolog. So what basically is Dulce? So it's a fake Apple server, which sends an activation ticket instead of original Apple's activation ticket. So for that, what you need to do is just go to your host file. I prefer to use XP. So what you need to do is you need to paste this IP address, not this exactly. uh, when server is on, just follow on his Twitter, Merrick Technolog. Just follow onto his Twitter. He will post when the server is on and the IP address. The IP address differs every day, so it's not the same. So you need to change it. So as you can see, many of bypass the activation logs. They actually posted the photos on his timeline. So what you need to do is, you just need to paste this line, IP address space albert.apple.com at the end of your host files, and you need to save it. As I mentioned, the IP address is not same. Just follow on this Twitter, and he will post a new IP address every day. So after that, just close the host files, connect your iPhone or iDevice to the computer, and just open the iTunes. You can see it's verifying the iPhone, and that's how you bypassed the activation lock. As you can see, the my iPhone, it's running on 7.1.1. It's iPhone 4S. But the only problem is, till now, Carrier is not working. But they've been working on that problem, and by the end of this week, they might come up with a solution for that. So that's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.